Good morning, India. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Raj Singh and I'm a solo backpacker. I'm here in Luang Prabang. It's been already 4 days and I'm leaving Luang Prabang right now. I'm trying to hitchhike, see if I can hitchhike all the way to Vang Vieng. It's another hotspot in Laos that you don't want to miss. I'm gonna see if I can find some work out there as well to sustain. I tried out here, it didn't work out. I want to teach yoga and learn a bit. So for now, we're just gonna be on the road, see if we can find some place. That's our buddy Fran you already met. Oh, sorry.
That's right.
Okay. Hey.
How are you, man?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Amazing. Just arrived.
Just arrived?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just leaving.
Are you just leaving?
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
4 days already.
We're gonna stay 4 days.
Yeah.
So how was it?
Pretty chilled out, I would say.
Yeah, chilled out. Yeah.
Yeah. You should go to Huangsi waterfall.
Yeah. We plan to go there now. Like we just got accommodation. We go to the market. See how it is. And yeah, we go to the waterfall, to the temples.
Yeah, I'm done with temples. No more temples.
My girlfriend now with temples and caves.
Hi there.
Waterfall.
Yeah.
Waterfall is gonna be good.
Yeah, waterfall is gonna be good.
Nice. So where are you going to?
I'm going to Vang Vieng.
Vang Vieng, down south.
Yes.
With the bus.
You came from there?
No, we just crossed Laos. We were in Thailand.
Ah, okay. So you got from Luang Namta or slow boat?
No, Wak Sai, slow boat from the border.
Okay, okay.
It took ages, but good.
No, I took the bus. I spent 3 nights in Luang Namta.
Okay.
It's a place you can do pretty much motorbiking and you can go all the way to Chinese border.
Exactly, that's where I want to go. Okay, yeah, it's in the
And then you
middle.
could have stayed in Nong Kyon. I missed out Nong Kyon. I was trying to hitchhike, didn't get hitchhiked, so the last bus was leaving to here. I took the bus.
Got it.
Yeah.
So there, up north, you stay in that place, how's it called again?
Luang Namta.
Luang Namta. From there you can go up to the Chinese border.
Yes, you can. You need to have a motorbike.
Okay, you can do yourself.
A motorbike, yes,
Yeah.
you can do it yourself. I mean, it's just a border. You'll be stopped and you'll see the cops. Sorry, the cops out there, the army guards, and you'll see army guards, Chinese guards out there.
Okay.
And you can do pretty much, you know, villages and all out there. For a moment, I thought he was Fran, but no. So I'm gonna check out my map, see if I'm on the right track. I need to be hitchhiking long way. So this is the bus station, Na Luang bus station, which is pretty much walkable in case you want to save 10 or 15,000 kip just to get here. You're gonna get the buses cheaper out there. At the guest house, it's 110,000 kip for the minivans and 130 for the big buses. I think those were the VIP buses, but I'm not gonna take any of these. Check out here in case you want to, you know, book. They start from 9 a.m. You can pretty much get to here before 9 and you can see what all options are there. For me, I'm hours late. I have another bus at 1 o'clock. So yeah, this is one way you can save money. And I'm pretty sure the prices, what they mention at the guest house, are different than what you get out here. So you have prices written out here as well. It's 105,000 kip. I'm not sure. This is international bus stand. What you have up there, you can check it out there as well. BECL. Check out where their bank is and you can pretty much exchange money at a good price. It's been an hour and a half I've been waiting on the highway, but no ride. I think I'm gonna go to a bus station, pick up a bus. But at this point of time, this is very emotional moment for me. I was buying something at the shop out there and I forgot my GoPro out there. And for 1 hour I was just, you know, trying to hitchhike. I didn't see if my camera was there. But when I realized that my camera is missing because I was not filming my a hitchhiking video. I don't know why. And then I was like looking for it, and then I realized I bought something on the way. Came back, and this guy was glad to return back my camera. No. I'm still not getting any hikes, but Lao people are so generous. It's so nice, you know. Guy returned my camera. This could have made a lot of money for him, but I'm really thank you. So let me just, I'll go back in. Can I shoot you on video? Okay, so that's his shop. I forgot my camera, and people are so honest, you know. He returned my camera back. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I cannot describe my feeling. Pop chai. Pop chai. He returned my camera. So I just got a ride, and I'm heading to Wang Biang right now. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to pay or not, but whatever the case is, I needed this ride. When I left my camera, and I was really mad at myself leaving my camera just like that. This is my lifeline. For any vlogger, it's the lifeline, and it's a small camera, and you know, it was in my hand, and I left it. I was so foolish enough to just, you know, do a thing like that. Wang Biang is roughly around 200 kilometers from and I'm taking a ride out here. Which all good places in Laos? Good place in Laos, Wang Biang and any place you recommend to see? So I'm not sure if we are having a good conversation. I'm not sure if he's understanding what I'm asking. But nonetheless, yes, I was lucky enough to go back, and you know, I didn't get a ride. Everything happens for a reason. So if something is happening not the way you decided, please be rest assured that there is something good lies in it. I sat there for an hour looking for the ride. I didn't get any, but when I realized, you know, I don't have a camera, I panicked. I went back, and there I found it. And after like 5 minutes, just like 5 minutes, I got this ride. So yeah, I think everything happens for a reason. So was this one. like I assumed, it was not a free ride. I had to pay 100,000 kip, which is still okay. I was going to the bus station, so I don't mind. I got my camera back. I got the ride. Easy cheesy. I'm the only guy, so I can chill out pretty much. He's a nice guy. And if, you know, I knew it firsthand, it was a taxi. So, yeah, I got no regrets on me. But I'm still very lucky that I got my camera back. And for that, I thank you, you know, the people of Laos. To Wangbian is one of the most amazing rides that you want to take. In case you want to rent a motorbike or buy a motorbike, you can buy a motorbike. This is one of the, you know, beautiful scenes that you don't want to miss. And in case you take a bus ride, be early and take a front seat where I'm sitting right now. I'm actually lucky to get this ride. But nonetheless, don't forget to take this route. One of the best routes in Laos. Outside. The words are beautiful. Oh, I'm so loving this moment. Check this out. This is all covered under cloud. We are at a viewpoint.
5 minutes.
Sorry?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Are we gonna wait for 5 minutes and... It's all covered under fog. One of the beautiful sights. I stayed around here for 5-10 minutes, got some bananas, and now we are moving. So if you're here, do stop by, take a look around. Hopefully you'll be lucky with some beautiful views. But now I gotta go. So guys, this is 5:30 right now. I'm still on my way to Wang Viang, and it's gonna be dark, so I'm gonna stop vlogging right now. But I hope you enjoyed the ride. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. In case you're coming across the videos for the first time, do consider subscribing. There's tons of information flowing in, and nonetheless, if you have any valuable comments, please leave it below. But for now, my ride is waiting. I gotta go. See ya.